In this lesson, we will discuss point of intersection of two lines. And the question is, find the point of intersection of two lines. These are two equations of line. We have to find out the point where the lines 4y plus x is equal to 14 and 3y is equal to 2x plus 5 intersect each other. We must find the point whose coordinates x and y satisfy both of these equations. So first of all, we have to find out the value of x and y, and we will see whether these two equations satisfy or not with the help of value of x and y. So see, this is A. If I will say this is our equation A and this is our equation B, here we are going to use the substitution method. There are other methods as well, but here we are going to use a substitution method. So our equation A is 4y plus x is equal to 14. If I will say x from this equation, so x will equal to 14 minus 4y, and I will say this is 1, suppose. Right, so this is the value of x with the help of equation 1. X will remains the same on the left hand side, 14 will remains the same on right hand side, but we just take this positive 4y to the right hand side, though the sign will change. X is equal to 14 minus 4y. So now put the value of x in equation B. If you want, I can write down here, put the value of x in equation B, and our equation B is 3y. Just write down 3y as it is, 2, and instead of this x we can write down 14 minus 4y, and then we have plus 5. So now we will solve for y, which is equal to 3y is equal to 28 negative 8y plus 5. We will take the transpose of this negative 8y. It will be positive 8y when we will take the transpose, or when we will take to the left hand side of the equation. So this is equal to 11y because both are positive, these two are positive. We want only the value of y, so we have to divide it by 11. So y is equal to 3. This is the y coordinate. Now we have to find out the x coordinate. So put the value, okay, this is 1, right? Put the value of y in 1. This is 1, right? So x is equal to 14. This is 1. Negative 4, and y we have calculated 3. This is 3. So now we will solve for x. It will be 14 minus 12. So x is equal to 12. Sorry, x is equal to 2. 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. So this is our x coordinate. So keep in mind, when we will write down the coordinates, always you have to write down x coordinate first. So this is our x coordinate 2, and y coordinate we have 3. So 2, 3. If we put 2 and 3 instead of x2 and instead of y3, this equation will satisfy. Same thing, if we put 2 in the second equation instead of x and 3 instead of y, this equation will be satisfied. It means these are the solution pair of both of these equations. So 2 and 3, right? This is 2 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis, this one. This is our point of intersection. So here I have made a graph for you. So see, this is 3y is equal to 2x. This is the point of intersection. This is 2 and 3, right? When we cross it, this is the point of intersection with the help of substitution method. I hope this is clear. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.